Hi everyone, Dr. T here. I wanted to talk a little bit about food sensitivities and what happens to the gut. The big two today are gluten and dairy. So when you eat those, if you have a food sensitivity and your stomach gets inflamed, and you may not have any symptoms from that, but it could tell your brain, oops, I've just eaten something that doesn't agree with me, and inflame your brain, and that's where you can get brain fog or altered emotion and behavior. Now, further than that, they can begin to destroy your small intestine and the barriers between your small intestine and the rest of your body. Remember, your digestive tract is kind of a tube that's within the rest of your body, and it's protected from anything else. So you can think of that barrier as if you were thinking about a fence that was around a yard. And if there's a board that gets loose, then potentially you can escape from the yard, or your dog can escape, or then things that shouldn't be in the yard start to come in the yard. And then it just gets worse and worse and worse till it makes it easier for the body to, for burglars or invaders of any types to come into the yard. And the same thing happens with your small intestine. So food particles and undigested proteins aren't supposed to leave the small intestine, but then they do, and they float out into the bloodstream and start floating around your body, creating havoc anywhere they can. And that will depend on your particular makeup as to where you might feel the symptoms. So someone could have joint pain, somebody could have low back pain, somebody could just have headaches, and all because there's a problem in the small intestine. And that happens with what we call zonulin, which you can order and have as part of this test. So the GI map is a great way to determine what is the health of your gut, what is the microbiome doing, and how is that fence around there supported. So if you have any of those symptoms, call and order this today.